Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. We are from MBA 11555C. Today, we would like to explain about factors contributing to a claim rejection in life insurance. Before we started, I would like to introduce our team members.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Let's meet our team. My name is Siti Nur Aida Munirah binti Basri.
My name is Nordalina binti Muhammad Ali.
My name is Siti Nur Maisara binti Jalawai.
My name is Shafika binti Muhammad Ramsi Shah.
Introduction. As we know, life insurance is very important to us. Function of insurance itself is to help people who are having financial problem getting a claim from loss or damage. In addition, it is also known as a contract made by insurance company and policy owner. A life insurance policy guarantees the insurer to pay a sum of money to one or more named beneficiaries when the insured person dies in exchange for premiums paid by the policyholder during their lifetime. In addition, most people use life insurance to provide money to beneficiaries who would suffer a financial hardship upon the insured's death. For wealthy individuals, the tax advantage of life insurance can provide additional strategic opportunities. However, not all the claims and policies can be accepted by insurance company. For sure, there are many circumstances that can affect the rejection of claims. Rejection may refer to a term in insurance where insurer will not cover a risk and can deny someone's insurance policy. Before the insured sign or buy the policies, for sure they need to read the terms and conditions of the policy. They need to give a true information to the insurance company. Other than that, the information such as hobby, occupation, age, and physical condition is important to make sure they can be covered. If the insurer always exposed by dangerous hazard or risk, it is also can be categorized as a main reason the claim got rejected.
So, what is factors that can contributing to a claim rejection in life insurance? Let's see. First, not disclosing or wrongful disclosure of facts. Withholding or disclosing wrong information might result in rejection of the claim. You should carefully mention details such as age, income, occupation, medical history, and previous life insurance policy or any claims taken. If you consume alcohol or tobacco, you should clearly mention in the application form. Basically, correctly filling the application form is a must. When you mention such details, it helps the underwriter to evaluate the risk and decide the premium for your life insurance policy. Incorrect or incomplete information can also be considered fraud and lead to termination of the policy. Hence, before honoring a claim, the insurance company verifies all the facts to see if they are correct. A mistake might creep in when filling the policy form. There is also a chance that the company might have committed a clerical error. Hence, it is important to verify all the details before you sign on the dotted line. The duty of good faith, which applies to all insurance policies, means that the person buying the insurance policy must disclose all material facts, including personal information in relation to the risk. The disclosure must be made to the insurance company from which the person is seeking to buy an insurance policy to cover the risk. Not all kind of information are required to be disclosed. The person looking to buy insurance policy is only required to disclose information that is material to the risk. Information is material to the risk if it's information which is relevant and important for the insurance company to take into account when assessing the risk is to decide whether or not to insure the risk and to determine the amount of premium to charge for the insurance company. For example, if the information would cause the insurance company to set a higher premium than would be the case, if the information is not closed, then the information is material and should be disclosed. Furthermore, the duty on the person seeking insurance is not just to disclose material facts about the risk, which he actually knows, but to disclose material facts which he could reasonably be expected to know and disclose. Therefore, disclosing incorrect information may result in claim rejection. Second, incomplete claim documents. Make sure you know all the documents that must be provided when you want to submit a claim. If one or more documents are missing, the insurer will reject the claim as the documents are essential to make any claim. You are also required to fill out a claim form. Follow the procedure properly. If the claim submit is a life insurance claim, make sure you prepare relevant documents such as previous health records such as surgery, illness, and others. This will be one of the proof when you want to submit a claim to the insurance. Next, prepare complete documents starting from the duly filled proposal form, age, address of the proposer, medical examination report of the proposer, and others. When filling out the form, fill it honestly and clearly because the insurance company will check it later. They will not pay a claim if the claim form is proven to contain lies.
Other than that, the other factor is hazardous occupation. An occupational hazard is a hazard experienced in the workplace. This encompasses many types of hazard, including chemical hazard, biological hazard, psychosocial hazard, and physical hazard. Hazardous occupation is an occupation that an insurance policy considers to be a high risk. Some professions carry a higher degree of risk and danger than others, and this makes life insurance company reluctant to approve policy for people working in what is considered a particular hazardous occupation. These occupations are typically not covered by the standard life or disability insurance policy due to the increased risk of injury or loss. So, this is the example of hazardous occupation that we can see in the slide. First is aircraft pilot. And the second picture is logging worker. And the last is electrical power line installer. Next factor is hazardous hobby or extracurricular activities. Like hazardous occupations, there are also extracurricular activities that are considered hazardous and carry a high risk of premature death. Hazardous activity means an activity which introduces or increases the possibility of injury or death as a result of an accident. Hazardous activity is an activity that insurance policy consider to be a high risk. The activities are not typically covered by insurance as they carry an increased potential for injury or loss. If a hobby falls under an insurance company definition of hazardous activity, the policyholder may not be able to purchase the life insurance or disability insurance plan, or they may pay a higher premium because the insurer considers the action is high risk. Another possibility is that the insurer will issue a policy, but it will explicitly exclude the hazardous activities from the coverage. The insurance policy will not pay benefit for death or disability from a designated hazard, but will still provide benefit for extra coverage accident and event. So, this is the example of the hazardous extracurricular activities. The first one is cave hunting. Second one is rock climbing. And the last one is skydiving.
Hello, my name is Shafika binti Muhammad Ramsisha, and I'm going to explain about one of the factors that can contributing towards claim rejection in life insurance, which is payment of premiums. Buying suitable life insurance cover is just the start, and the premium is paid regularly should also be insured. A life insurance policy is active only if premiums are paid on time. If you miss paying a premium, the policy may lapse, and an insurer can deny a claim of a lapsed policy. Many people unintentionally forget to pay their premium on time. Insurers generally inform them through emails and messages. Insurance companies also give a grace period, in most cases 30 days. If a policy lapses, all the paid premiums go to waste and there is no chance of getting it back. Next, the death happened during the contestability period. Policies have contestability periods that typically remains in effect for 2 years after their purchase, says Glenn Cantor, a life insurance attorney in San Diego. If you die within the contestability period, which typically lasts 2 years from the date you purchase your policy, your insurer can investigate whether you wrote correct information on your life insurance application. During this period, the company can cancel the coverage and return the premium if they believe the policyholder has withheld racial information or has deliberately lied. So, when you purchase a policy, check whether a death during this period will be an issue. For example, if you lied about a medical condition but died in a car accident that wasn't related to that condition, your insurer could still deny the death benefit. However, a minor omission such as not reporting that you visited the doctor in the past year probably won't cause a denial.
Next, another factors that can lead to claim rejection is false information. Insured need to fill a policy form that are asking about the history and detail of insured. Other than that, insured need to give a detail and true about the information before signing the policies. People are normally lying about their social activities such as drinking and smoking habit. Even leaving out details like age, height, and weight could create issues later. They normally lie because they want to get a cover. Sometimes, insurance company already inform the insured about terms and conditions that they need to follow. Activities that can cause an illness such as lung disease, cancer, diabetes, and more will not be covered. So, insured need to give a true information to make sure their claim not be rejected. Lastly, the next factors is delay. Insurance company sometimes already give times to insured to file a claim. Even though delay rarely happen nowadays, but they still can be happen. Delay for too long can lead to rejection of the claim. Usually, delay can be happen because insured still thinking and did not understand about the policies. So, it is important to ensure to read and understand the policies so it can help them to get a claim, as it is important to help people who are coming from financial unstable.
Thank you for watching. Till we meet again.